people sit on your own bed, that's fine. But me, don't sit on my bed. Don't carry that same bag, that dirty bag, and keep it on my bed. Hey! Woo! Oh, I need to eat because I honestly don't have energy. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been so long that I recorded a video and I don't want to come on here giving you guys excuses on why I've uploaded and why I've not been able to upload, but you know, YouTube, I have a full-time job, so YouTube is something I can do when I have spare time and when I'm not exhausted, tired, all that good stuff. But you guys, I'm just looking so beautiful today, like anyways, I wish I was drinking a cup of wine. This would have been nice with a cup of wine. I guess some of us can start early, but you know, let's just keep it PG. Okay, now that I've eaten breakfast, I feel like I have a little bit more energy. So like I was saying earlier, today's video is going to be about pet peeves and what like people that are not germaphobes don't understand about navigating and moving through this world. My first pet peeve is people that put their shoes on public areas or on furniture, period. So let's say like you're on the bus, you carry your shoe. Now this is a shoe that you walk around everywhere. Shoes are the most dirtiest things that I've probably ever known. You know, when people walk in shoes anyway, like, so these shoes that you have used to step on cat's pee, goat's feces, all these things, and carry your leg and put your dirty shoes on top of places that people will use their bum to sit down, like put their back on. That's just disgusting to me. You put your shoe on the bed, you're jumping on the bed, your shoe now mistakenly touched the bed. Nah fam, I don't like that. I'm not down for that. Stop it. So my next pet peeve, and everything is going to be building up, so my next pet peeve is people that sit on my bed. Now if people sit on your own bed, that's fine, but me, don't sit on my bed. And the reason why I don't like people sitting on my bed is because I feel like clothes harbor germs and diseases. So like now your work clothes, right? So like these clothes that I'm wearing, I can't sit on my bed with it, or I can't lay in my bed with it. You know why? Because I've gone and I've gone and sat outside on a chair that's you with your shoes that you have used to step on cat pee and goat feces have put on the chair. I'll now wear these clothes and sit on that same chair, and you not expect me to carry these clothes that have gone outside to come and lay on the bed. No outside clothes on the bed. Like, you have to change your clothes. Either you, like, if you want to sit on my bed, you have to either be naked or like change into like night clothes or clothes that have not, you know, any clothes that step out of the house. Don't carry that clothes and put it on my bed. Like, nah fam, that's just disgusting. And as a germaphobe, I just can't. Okay, so the next thing, this actually is even connected. I don't like people that put stuff on the bed. Don't put your stuff on the bed. I don't care where it is. See, the only thing that should go on the bed is naked bodies or bodies with inside clothes, right? Or clean clothes, the blankets and the sheets. That's the only thing that should ever land on my bed. Like, I don't want people that carry their dirty bag you keep on the floor of everywhere, on the floor of the toilet, on the floor of the classroom, on the floor of the grocery store, on the floor of everywhere. You want to carry that same bag, that dirty bag, and keep it on my bed. Hey! Woo! No, please don't do that. Especially suitcases. Like when people travel and they put their bed they put their suitcases on the bed. Like, why do you please, the germaphobe in me, I just can't deal. So nothing on the bed, please. Don't put any of your things on my bed. No shoes. In fact, you know, sometimes I see people like maybe like they're laying they're laying out an outfit and they keep the shoes on top of the bed. Like, maybe I'm a little bit extreme, but don't, like, when it comes to me, I don't like that. I don't like that at all. So stop it. This next one, if you're the person in your house that does the dishes, right? Actually, if you're the person in your house and you don't do the dishes, then you don't have an appreciation and you're not thinking about the person that is doing the dishes. You're a selfish person. Point blank, period. You're a selfish person. Because why would you carry your plates, especially plates that you know that like the food sticks? So let's say like you're eating fufu or something that sticks to the plate, or gari, or you know, something that if you dry it's very hard to come out. You know that you're not going to wash your plate in the moment, right? That's fine. So instead of you to that plate that you have, you know, that's probably is going to dry and it's going to be hard to get up, why don't you soak your plates in the sink? Like, put a little bit of water so that the person that is going to do the dishes finds it easy to clean the dishes. I hate when inconsiderate non-plate washers just leave dry dishes in the sink. Why? Please, this is winchy behavior. Stop it. I don't like, stop it. People that do this, just stop it. Like, why will you eat something that you know like has the potential to stick to the sides of the cutlery, cup, spoon, plate, whatever it is, and then you leave it without soaking it? Like, who raised you? Who raised you? If you've not washed the plates right there and there, then think about the person that's going to do the dishes. Like, help yourself. Help us, help me, help it. Please. And then people that do dishes and then there's still dirt on the dishes. Like, it's one thing if like one or two things are still maybe a little bit dirty, but let's say you're washing, if you cannot wash it, leave it for the person that can wash it, right? And then when you're leaving it, make sure you soak it as well. Please stop being selfish. Thank you. My next pet peeve is dirty bathrooms. And this is, I've discovered that this is like a personal preference. I just don't do bad. Like, I can't do dirty bathrooms, honestly. I just can't do it. And just like, I can't use a dirty bathroom. I don't know how people do it, but like, my bathroom has to be absolutely clean. So this, which brings me to the next thing, I don't share towel. I think maybe this is like a thing from like when I was in boarding school, and seniors who usually like they take your towel. I remember like in boarding school we used to hide our towels because don't want people, us that were germophobes. There's some people that didn't care whether or not to use their towels, but you know that you are rubbing you know, bacteria that is on my skin, and you want to now put it on your own same skin. Like, the same towel you used to clean off your booty juices, you want your booty juices to hit my face. See, I can share spoon, I can share fork, I can share toothbrush. Safe, I can eat. Well, if I'm kissing you, yes, I can share. Yeah, you can share toothbrush. But you see, towel, we cannot share a towel. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I just can't. Like, I just can't. And then let me add on top of that, like, so I don't like when people leave, like, if you're flushing, like, close the seat down. Like, I don't like open, what's it called? People that leave the toilet seat open and flush, right? Because I know this. I know this, but like, when you flush, you know that particles of what you have just flushed, whether pee or whatever, they fly up into the air up to 6 feet and land on anything that they can land on. So this is the reason why I don't keep my toothbrush, my sponge in the bathroom, or my towel in the bath. I don't leave any of that stuff in the bathroom because I don't trust. You know, if it was only me using my bathroom, then yeah, I would, you know, probably leave my stuff like that. But because there's people coming in and out, and there's people that don't have regard for like whatever rules and regulations you have, they're not conscious of the germs that you are conscious of. And I don't blame them, you know, like, it's just some people just, you know. So if I like the toilet seat to be closed down because of my germaphobe person, because I can't disinfect and wipe every surface every single time that somebody left toilet sit up. Like, what am I supposed to do? Wash my towel every single time that somebody leaves the toilet sit up? I just can't. So this is the reason why I don't keep any of my belongings. The only thing I leave in the bathroom is like my like stuff I use to like wash up. That's the only thing that's in the bathroom. Other than that, and maybe hand soap, and that's the only thing. I don't leave anything in the bathroom because I just don't trust, so that's, one of my other pet peeves. Well, let's move from the germophobia to the, to like more character traits. I'm only going to mention like just 2 or 3 because like this is not about that. This video is about my germophobia. I'm a germaphobe. Like, I don't like dirt, or I don't like to. I think maybe it's the way that we germaphobe. The way that we think about germs is just a little bit different than people that don't think about it. If something's on the forefront of your brain, it's just different. So I'm definitely a germaphobe, and it's just something I can't help. I just I prefer to hug people, even hugging itself, because I know I've seen some people lay on the floor of the bathroom, like people. Before I used to say, oh, I can even hug a person because at least I can, like, I'm moving my clothes, but like shaking, I prefer to hug. I prefer to hug than shaking anybody, if I'm being honest. Okay, so one of my pet peeves about people is people that count other people's money. Like, don't tell me how to save, where to keep my money. Like, oh, make sure you're saving your money. Like, is it your money? You have no comprehension of what financial obligations I have every month. So for you to come and tell me, oh, make sure you're saving your money, is it your business? Is it your money? Is it your money? Why are you counting people's money? Stop counting people's money for them. Like, that's rude. That's ghetto. That's really ghetto. Stop counting people's money for them. Is it your money? Is it your money? Is it your bank account? And shut up. It's a different conversation if it was like, oh god, Ruth, I have $20 in my bank account, right? I was just thinking about ways I can invest and grow my $20. How can I grow my $20? Then you can tell me what to do because I've asked for your opinion. But it's very, very ghetto when you're sitting down counting people's money. Oh my gosh, what do you do with money every month? Blah, 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 blah. Every month I'm broke. Yes. Is it your business? Is it your business? Did I ask you? Didn't ask you. So stop counting people's money for them. It's very rude and quite ghetto. Okay, good. The second thing I don't like is people that are flaky, unreliable. I just don't like it. Understand? Like, I don't know how to explain people that are flaky and unreliable. Like, if I cannot count on you for something, I have nothing more to say. I just don't like flaky and unreliable people, please. The mere fact of me even thinking about it, I'm drained thinking about people like this. So let's not even pay them mind. And then the last and final thing that is on my list is people that lie and are dishonest. Like, at your big age, why are you lying? At your big age, why are you dishonest? Like, if, like, let's say we're going somewhere, right, and something came up, like, don't just disappear and don't say nothing. Like, say the truth. I didn't want to go, or just I don't know why it's so hard for people to just like say the truth. Like, I don't understand. At your big age, why can't you tell the truth? Why do you like to waste people's time? I don't understand. So stop lying. Just say the truth and shame the devil. Don't be a devil child. Lying is winchy behavior. Being dishonest is winchy behavior. You need to detest from this behavior because it's not gonna help you. It's not gonna help you. Is that how you be behaving in your wife's house? Please. Yeah, I don't appreciate this honest and lying ass people, trifling ass, lying ass, scamming ass people. Okay. Yeah, that brings us to the end of the video. I think this video was not like super chaotic and it's not be even super long, but I just wanted to tell you guys of my pet peeves. Not that you asked, but I mean, why not? Like, just know that. Know this and know peace. You guys, tell me what your pet peeves are. I'll be very interested to know like what things irks you. What are the things that some people do that irks you? These are a couple of things that irks me. This is just me personally, like it's not an attack. See, if any of people that are close to me watch this video and they're like, I hate when people watch something and or if I post something and people think it's about them, like, are you guilty? Are you guilty? I feel like I'm a pretty straightforward person most of the time, so like if I have an issue with you, I'm gonna like somehow bring it up, but like it's not about anybody, just things that have been done. This video is in no particular way about one person, two people, a couple of people, or anybody in particular. It's just things that I noticed that I don't like in life generally. So yeah, tell me what you guys' pet peeves are. I want to know, like, or do we have the same pet peeves? Maybe not, but I hope you enjoyed this video of me telling you about my unsolicited pet peeves. Okay, until next time, thank you for watching my video. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you like, and make sure you just watch out for new videos that come out in the future. I braided my hair, as you can see, looking like a nice African princess. Bye guys.